Hello my friends, welcome back to Keto in the Chaos. My name is Tammy, and this is an episode of What to Eat Wednesday. In this video, I'll show you everything that I ate for the last 7 days on a ketogenic way of eating. I hope that you'll get some great ideas for your own keto meal plan. Be sure to check out the About section below for a link to our Facebook group for support and to get more ideas. Let's get on to the food. Good Wednesday morning, everyone. Welcome back to What to Eat Wednesday. Today I am having my typical breakfast. Pretty much I eat this every single day, every single morning. I have about 40 grams of center cut bacon, 1 ounce of this is cheddar cheese that I just fried up in a pan, 2 fried eggs, 1 cup of 0% FDOE Greek yogurt sweetened with orange vanilla Mio water enhancer, and that's going to be my first meal of the day. Alrighty everyone, it is Wednesday night and I am having kind of a stir fry. I've got 8 ounces of sirloin steak, a half a cup or so of zucchini, a little bit of onion and some spices, and an ounce of provolone cheese on top, and that's going to be my last meal of the day. Alright everyone, here I am at Commonwealth School, and this is going to be my first meal of the day. I'm having 5 Great Value sausages, 1 cheese stick, 2 boiled eggs, and 1 cup of 0% FDOE Greek yogurt sweetened with strawberry pineapple smash, because that's the one I have, and I don't really care for that, but I'm going to eat it anyway, and that's going to be my first meal of the day. Hello everyone, it is Thursday night and I am having my last meal of the day. I've got 8 ounces of ground beef in xanthan gum gravy with 1/6 of a cup of green peas and a few onions, and then about 155 grams of pumpkin, squash basically, pumpkin underneath, and that is going to be my last meal of the day. Good Friday morning, everyone. This is my first meal of the day. It is 44 grams of center cut bacon, 1 ounce of cheddar cheese fried in a pan, 2 fried eggs, and 1 cup of 0% FDOE Greek yogurt sweetened with orange tangerine Mio, and that is going to be my first meal of the day. Hey everyone, it's Friday night and I am having chicken fajitas. So I've got 5 ounces of chicken breast, 2 ounces of cheddar cheese, 3 tablespoons of sour cream, 2 tablespoons of Hatch Valley salsa, and a few peppers and onions. And that is going to be my last meal of the day. Sunday morning, everyone. This is going to be my first meal of the day. I am having 44 grams of center cut bacon, 1 ounce of cheddar cheese fried in a pan, 2 fried eggs, 1 cup of 0% FDOE Greek yogurt sweetened with orange tangerine Mio, and 1 double chocolate keto cake from www.ketocakesutah.com. They do not currently ship. And that's going to be my first meal of the day. Hey everyone, it's Sunday night and Dave and I are splitting this gorgeous group of wingers, naked wings. We got them naked this time. They do not have breading, thank goodness, because I am in the mood for wings for my last high fat day of the month, going a little lower fat for October. So it's going to be my bye-bye to fat meal. Alright everyone, it's Monday and today is the first day of back to tracking, but I am still having my basic same breakfast that I usually have. So I have 2 eggs, and I'm calling these extra large eggs because my eggs from my chickens seem to be a little larger than large eggs from the store. So I'm saying 2 extra large eggs, 39 grams of center cut bacon, 1 ounce of Mexican blend shredded cheese that I fried in a pan, and 1 cup of 0% FDOE Greek yogurt sweetened with orange vanilla Mio. And I'm not going to put the macros in just because it seems to take so much longer with the video. I just don't have time for that. But this breakfast, which is pretty much what I eat every single day, has 59 grams of protein, 59.60 depending on the bacon size, and 32 grams of fat, and less than 6 carbs. So that is going to be my first meal of the day. Alright everyone, it is Monday night and I am having one of my favorite meals. This is 1 cup of spaghetti squash, that's 155 grams, 5 ounces of chicken breast, 2 ounces of provolone cheese, and a half a cup of Rouse marinara sauce. And I kind of heated up the marinara in the pan so that that's why it looks a little brown, because I kind of like cooked it a little bit. And this is going to fill out my macros for the day. My total macros for the day are going to end up being 119 protein, 61 fat, and 18 net carbs, and that's pretty dang good. I have to admit, it's been harder than I thought it would be to not have that third meal in between, but I made it through today, and I'm just gonna keep on trucking. Hello everyone, it's Tuesday, and this is my second day of doing tracking, and I have got my same breakfast, and I have to say that I'm really happy that I stuck to having the same breakfast when I was not tracking, because it still feels like I'm getting what I need to eat. So I have 2 fried eggs, 1 ounce of, this is pizza blend cheese, and yes, I am accounting for the carbs for the potato starch or whatever it is that they put to keep it separated. It's pre-shredded because it's just easier. And 40 grams of center cut bacon, 1 cup of Faye 0% Greek yogurt sweetened with orange tangerine meal water enhancer, and that is going to be my first meal of the day. All right, everyone, it's Tuesday night, and this is going to be my last meal of the day. I have 5 ounces of shredded chicken breast, 3 ounces of shredded cheddar cheese, 4 tablespoons of salsa, no, 4 tablespoons of light sour cream, 3 tablespoons of Kirkland brand salsa, and a cup of lettuce. And that's going to be my last meal of the day. And for my macros today, I am hitting 122 grams of protein, 70 grams of fat, and 14 net carbs. And that is going to be my total for the day. It's been not as easy as I was hoping, but we're making it through. And that's going to be the last meal of this video.
Well, there you have it. Everything I ate in the last 7 days on a ketogenic way of eating. I hope you enjoyed this video and got some great ideas for your own keto meal plan. Be sure to join our Facebook group for support and for more ideas on how you can get started on your own weight loss journey. Thanks for hanging out with me. We'll talk to you again soon.